Baby love balls!
Hello friends, my name is Lorraine and this is Oriana, and today we're going to be reading Grumpy Cat. But before we start, what noise does a grumpy cat make? A hissing sound. Let's read. Grumpy Cat by Britta Teckentrup. Grumpy Cat. Once there was a cat who lived all alone. He ate on his own, he slept on his own, he spent every day alone. He would sit between the rubbish bins and look very grumpy. At night, other cats in the neighbourhood would meet and play together. Cat wanted to join in, but he just didn't know how. The other cats didn't ask him because they thought he was a grumpy cat, but really, he was a lonely cat. One night, everything changed. There was a terrible thunderstorm that crashed and shook the ground. Cat looked for shelter from the storm, but there wasn't any. Poor Cat got wetter, colder, soggier, and even grumpier than before. Then, suddenly, out of nowhere, there came a meow. Cat looked down, and there, between his paws, was a little ginger kitten. Kitten was as wet and as cold and as soggy as Cat. Meow, said Kitten. Cat didn't know what to do. The rain stopped. Kitten meowed again. She thought she had found a friend. But Cat just glared at Kitten and walked away. Kitten followed Cat. She rolled on her back and showed her belly. She wiggled her tail under Cat's nose. She tried to catch Cat's tail. She just wanted to be friendly, but Cat still looked grumpy. Cat tried his best to lose Kitten by balancing on a high picket fence, but Kitten was right behind him. Cat thought he had finally lost Kitten by climbing a tall tree. Then Cat heard a meow. Slowly and grumpily, Cat turned around. There at the foot of the tree was Kitten. Kitten followed Cat up the tree. She tried to reach him by balancing on the thinnest of branches. Then Kitten slipped. Quick as a flash, Cat leapt over and took Kitten gently by the scruff of her neck and carried her down the trees to safety. Once they were on the ground, Cat licked Kitten to make sure she felt safe. Kitten meowed. She was happy and hungry. Cat dashed off, but soon returned with a surprise, a great big fresh fish as big as Kitten. Cat and Kitten ate until their bellies were full. Cat and Kitten cuddled up for a snooze. They had each found a friend, and Cat was never grumpy again. Well, almost never. Did you enjoy that? We enjoyed it too. What was your favourite part? I liked when Grumpy Cat and Kitten had a yummy fish dinner. Yeah. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.